Dear investors, in this video I will show you how you can withdraw funds from the Coinbase account, because I know that many of you, especially the beginners, are worried if they can get their money back once they are invested in the exchanges or the cryptocurrency platforms. And you have to worry about that because there are so many scammers around, so many scam companies, brokers, exchanges, and many people lose just because they cannot withdraw their money. Now with Coinbase we can withdraw money, so I will show you that in this lecture. And personally I think that it is very important to withdraw money, because this way we see the effect of trading or the effect of investing. Because if you just fund your account and you fund more and more and you buy and buy and you never take a single dollar out of it, you will never really feel the satisfaction from the investing and from having profits into your account as well. This is one way to keep the greed away, because the more money you have in the account, the more profits come. Usually the investors and the traders get greedy and they buy more and more, and if the market crashes or something happens against your strategy, there is always the risk this to happen. You might lose a sustainable amount of money. This is why if you withdraw some funds from time to time, first you will feel great to have them back in your Visa card or in your PayPal account, and second of all, you will stay away from the greed, which is a bad emotion that drives the people into losses. Alright, so you can make simple rules. For example, now I will withdraw the profit that I had from this cycle, and I will click on the Euro wallet right here, and on the right side I have the option to withdraw. Let's see one more time how much was the profit. It was 559 euro total, 559, and I click on continue, and Coinbase gives the chance to withdraw to the Visa card that I have used for buying the cryptocurrencies, and you see that there is a fee, and I have the option to withdraw to my PayPal account, which is free without fees, but my PayPal account is in dollars and I'm withdrawing euro, and the conversion rate in PayPal is pretty bad. And first my money will be converted from euro to dollars, and then when I withdraw them to the Visa, they will be converted to Bulgarian levs, which is the national currency, and this will bring me much more losses than the 11 euro fee. So I prefer in this case to withdraw to the Visa card. Okay, if everything is in one currency, if you are living, for example, in Germany, you have euro Visa card, you have euro PayPal account, and you have euro Coinbase, great, you will not have any conversions. Or if you're in the States and everything is in dollars, even better. So keep these conversions in mind. This is why I prefer now to withdraw the money to my Visa card. I click on it and then I will click on continue, and you will see that the funds will arrive instantly, which is pretty nice. Anytime you need the money from your Coinbase account, you can withdraw them, and there will be 11.18 of withdrawal fee. I click on withdraw now. It will take a couple of seconds, and here it is, done. I have now the funds into my Visa card, and the balance now in the euro wallet is less now. You can see it's 1,505 euro, and I just got the message on my cell phone that the money arrived in the bank. Okay, so it's really instantly withdrawing with Coinbase. One of the reasons I'm using this exchange, and as I've said at the beginning of the course, don't take it as a recommendation. I don't suggest you using it. It's up to you which one you want to use, but before you put bigger amount of money, it is really recommendable to do such tests. Okay, so buy some cryptocurrencies with small amount of money, then withdraw, see the money back to your Visa card or to your bank account to make sure that the exchange allows you to withdraw money, because the scammers, the scam brokers, the scam exchanges, they will not allow you to do that. And one more time, it's up to you if you want to withdraw money from your account or not. Personally, I withdraw sometimes the profits, but at the same time, I want to have balance in the Euro wallet. So if I have new buying opportunities, I will buy from the wallet, which will result with less fees to Coinbase, because as you saw, when I buy from the Visa card, it's a bigger fee. Or in other words, withdraw money whenever you need it, but if you don't need it, you better keep it in your wallet, so you will pay a smaller fee the next time you buy cryptocurrency. Okay, I hope these tips were useful to you. And really, it's up to you if you want to sell the cryptocurrencies, because there are so many people that are just buying and buying. And if you're that type of person, this is just fine. You can use the entries that I demonstrated along the course to buy cryptocurrencies, and you can just hold them in your portfolio. This is just fine if you can afford it and if you want just to keep the cryptocurrencies. But because I'm originally a trader, I prefer to take the profits and not to hold positions with years. And most of all, because I want to be realistic on the market. If I zoom out and if I go to daily charts and I show you the bigger picture of the Bitcoin, okay, here it is. It is just one time when the price went to 20,000. Okay, I'm not saying that it will never happen again. I don't know that. But I'm realistic and I see that the price bounced off the 10,000 many times. So it's a great level for me to take profits and to sell the cryptocurrencies. And as well, I use the Fibonacci, which is a great indicator. It is connected to the trend. It works for me really to use the Fibonacci targets. And even if I sell everything, I know that there will be new opportunities. And if you go back on the chart, you will see many. I showed many along the course. There are always new opportunities to enter on the market, to buy again. And especially when we sell everything and when the price drops and we buy at lower prices and we are on profit again, that's the best thing in this strategy and in this system. Alright, thank you very much for watching the course, guys. It was really a pleasure recording it. And if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to ask me. Send me screenshots of your screen. I will be happy to give you some suggestions, tips or ideas, or to compare it with my current setup and see if we are looking at the same thing. And if we are not, we will discuss it. Maybe I'm wrong, you're right, and it will be beneficial for both sides and from all the other students that see the questions and the pictures and the discussion. Alright, that's it for now. I will keep updating the course with new examples and new investing opportunities that are there on the market, and I wish you always to have a great day. Cheers!